Welcome to Better English Pronunciation.
Excuse me? Hi?
Oh, hello there.
Is the station near?
Let me see.
I am a bit lost.
Don't worry about it.
Is it that way?
Actually, no.
Oh no. Where then?
Turn left at the light.
Left at the light?
Yes, walk 2 blocks.
Is it far?
No, it is very close.
5 minutes?
Yes, maybe less.
Is there a sign?
Yes, a big green sign.
Okay, left then straight?
You got it.
Thank you so much.
You are very welcome.
Wait, one more thing.
Yes, what is it?
Is the station open?
Yes, it's open now.
Great, thanks again.
Sure thing. Have fun.
I will. Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Wait, is it safe?
Oh, yes, very safe.
Okay, good.
Enjoy your trip.
Thanks. See ya.
See you later.
Which train is best?
The red line is fast.
Red line. Got it.
It is very frequent.
How frequent?
Every 10 minutes.
That's perfect.
Well, good luck.
I need it.
You'll be fine.
Okay, walking now.
Keep going straight.
Straight? Okay.
Yes, don't turn yet.
I see the light.
That's the one.
Almost there.
Slow down.
I'm excited.
I can see that.
Bye for real.
Goodbye.
How does this work?
It's easy. Just touch.
Touch the screen?
Yes, choose your language.
English is selected.
Good. Now where to?
I need downtown.
Scroll down a bit.
Found it. Downtown.
Great. Single or round trip?
Just one way.
So a single ticket.
How much is it?
It's $5.
Can I use cash?
No, only cards here.
Wait, I have cash.
Use that machine over there.
The big blue one?
Exactly. That's for cash.
Okay, moving over.
I'll wait for you.
Inserting the $5.
Wait for the change.
Where is the ticket?
It's in the slot.
Got it. It's small.
Don't lose it.
I'll put it here.
Good idea.
Is it valid all day?
No, just for now.
Oh, okay, I see.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
The gates are there.
Do I scan this?
Yes, tap it right there.
Like this?
Beeped. Perfect. It worked.
The gate opened.
Go through quickly.
I'm in. You too?
I have my pass.
Oh, you use a card?
Yes, a monthly pass.
Is it cheaper?
Yes, if you travel a lot.
I see. Maybe next time.
For sure.
Which way to platform 4?
Follow those signs.
Up the stairs?
Yes, or the elevator.
Stairs are fine.
Good exercise.
I'm tired already.
We're almost there.
Is this platform 4?
Yes, look up there.
Oh, the big screen.
It shows the times.
Where is the train?
It's coming in 2 minutes.
2 minutes? So fast.
Yes, the trains are frequent.
Is it the express train?
No, this is a local.
What's the difference?
Local stops every time.
And the express?
It skips some stations.
Will the local take long?
Maybe 20 minutes.
That's not too bad.
No, it's a nice ride.
Do I stand here?
Wait behind the yellow line.
The yellow line?
Yes, for safety.
Ah, I see it.
It's very important.
Wow, it's getting crowded.
Yeah, it's rush hour.
What is rush hour?
When everyone goes home.
Oh, the busy time.
Exactly, lots of people.
Should we move back?
No, we are fine here.
I hear the train.
Yes, here it comes.
It's so loud.
Yeah, trains are noisy.
Is it going to stop?
Yes, right in front.
Wait for people to exit?
Yes, let them off first.
Let them off first.
It's the polite way.
Okay, I'm ready.
Watch the gap, okay?
The gap? Between what?
Between the train and platform.
Oh, don't trip.
Exactly, be careful.
Doors are opening.
Step inside now.
It's very cool inside.
Yes, the air conditioning.
Where should we sit?
Let's find some seats.
There are 2 over there.
Hurry, sit down.
Whew, we made it.
Perfect timing.
Which stop is ours?
It's the 4th stop.
4 stops? Okay.
I'll tell you when.
What is that building?
That's the city library.
It's very big.
Yes, it is. Famous.
Can we go there?
Maybe tomorrow.
Is the train always full?
Usually, yes. It's busy.
I like the windows.
The view is nice, right?
Yes, very nice.
Look, the river.
Wow, it's beautiful.
We are crossing it now.
Are we underground soon?
Yes, in 1 minute.
Oh, it's getting dark.
We are in the tunnel.
Is it loud in here?
A little bit.
What did the voice say?
It said, next stop, Central.
Is that our stop? I stands up.
No, sit down.
Oh, oops.
3 more stops to go.
I am just excited.
I can tell.
What's in downtown?
Lots of shops and food.
Is there good pizza?
The best pizza.
I want some now.
Wait just a bit more.
Is this our stop?
Not yet. 1 more.
The train is slowing down.
Yes, for the station.
Do we need to hurry?
No, take your time.
Okay, I'm ready now. I stands.
Get your bag, Alex. Points.
Oh, my backpack. Grabs it.
Don't leave it here.
That was close.
Here we go.
Is this the one?
Yes, this is downtown.
Finally, walks out.
Watch your step, shouts.
I'm out, waving.
Me too. Come on, follows.
Which exit do we use?
The one for Main Street.
Do I need my ticket?
Yes, don't throw it away.
I have it right here.
Good, put it in there.
In the little slot?
Yes, just like before.
It didn't come out.
The machine keeps it.
Oh, so I'm done?
Yes, you're free now.
That's easy.
Now where is the exit?
I see a sign there.
Which way does it say?
It says North Exit.
We need south exit.
South? Where is that?
It's the other way.
Oh, okay, let's turn.
Look for the blue sign.
I see it. South Exit.
Perfect, let's walk.
Is there an escalator?
Yes, right over there.
Thank goodness.
Are your legs tired?
Yes, a little bit.
We walked a lot today.
It's a big station.
It really is.
I like the ceiling.
It's very old, right?
Is it from the past?
Yes, over 100 years old.
Wow, that is very cool.
I agree, it's beautiful.
Are we outside yet?
Almost, just these stairs.
I see the sunlight.
Me too, it's bright.
Wait, what's that sound?
That's a street musician.
He's playing the guitar.
He's very good, right?
I love this city.
I'm glad you do.
Where is the pizza shop?
It's just around the corner.
Can you smell it?
Yes, I can.
I am so hungry.
Me too. Let's hurry.
Is it expensive?
No, it's very cheap.
Perfect.
Welcome to downtown.
I'm so happy.
Let's eat.
This pizza is amazing.
I told you so.
Is it always this good?
Always. Best in town.
Thanks for helping me.
No problem. It was fun.
I was very lost.
Everyone gets lost here.
Even you?
Well, sometimes.
The train was easy.
Yes, once you learn.
Do I go back alone?
Do you want to?
I think I can.
I believe in you.
Which line do I take?
The red line again.
Going north this time?
Yes, look for Uptown.
Uptown, got it.
It's the same platform.
Just the other side?
Exactly. You're an expert.
An expert traveler?
Indeed you are.
What's next?
Let's finish our coffee.
This coffee is hot.
Be careful.
Is it a long ride back?
The same 20 minutes.
I can watch the river.
Yes, it's very pretty.
Should I buy another ticket?
Yes, you need one.
Can I use the card?
Yes, if you have one.
I'll use cash again.
That works too.
I feel like a local.
You look like one.
In my blue hoodie?
Yes, very casual.
Is the sun going down?
Yes, it's almost evening.
The city looks beautiful.
It's the best time. Ah,
I had a great day.
I am glad, Alex.
Can we meet again?
Of course, anytime.
I'll text you later.
Please do.
Time to go now.
Have a safe trip.
I will. Bye, Sarah.
Bye, see you soon.